It's some shoes. Boring. What you got?
The baby.
Baby, that's what you was looking for. Baby lie. You got the baby lie, now you can feed her. Yeah. Now you can feed the baby. Look at the baby. This what you was looking for. What's up, Dallas? Welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl, Brianna and I'm starting my vlog off. Ooh, I look a mess. Like, y'all look so raggedy. The weekend that leads up to Vegas, y'all. So we are going to Vegas still. And I got to get ready. So I'm going to go get my nails done. We'll take y'all to get my nails done with me. But first, I got to go pick up my nail, take some chicken from Wells. I ain't never been in there before, but, and then get my feet and eyebrows done. Then I'm going to get my Brazilian wax and stuff like that tomorrow, which is Sunday. Today is Saturday, y'all. So yeah, this is the camera I'm gonna be vlogging with y'all. It's gonna be my vlogging camera for now. Y'all, as soon as I get to my nail tech.
It's me, y'all. Wait, let me put my mask on. My other mask. My other mask. Okay, we'll move. SCT apostrophe N. Okay.
You see it from
period.
Your girl look a mess, baby. I'm about to get my tech. I gotta go get my Brazilian wax and my underarm wax, and then get my hair done, and then pack my bags, and then that's it for today. Probably take Layla out before I leave. Oh, I look like baby, y'all gonna see this transformation because my head looking a mess. See you guys once I get to the waxing place. Hey. Alright, y'all, so I'm on my way. I'm in the Uber to Bay House so we can take the train. I ain't take the train in a minute, so we're gonna go to O'Hare Airport. My vlogging is horrible. Alright, y'all, so we stopped in Austin. I've never been to Austin before, but we stopped in Austin. The next flight is Vegas. I didn't see Miami. The next flight is Vegas, y'all. Like I said, we never stopped in Austin. First trip, but I know I'm definitely because I definitely was kind of tipsy on that plane. Yo, it was crazy, but he just wants to go pee. So we about to go find something to eat. I'm about to go use the bathroom till we get to Vegas. It's so lit, y'all. I'm so ready to turn up. Y'all just do not know. Like, it's my birthday, though. Okay, there it goes. You ready for this turn up?
Is it?
Yeah, period. Ready?
Yeah, is it ready for me? I'm about to go get lit right now. I think I'm about to hit that bar right there.
How you used to get down in Texas?
What you mean?
You used to live out here, so tell them how you get down. Duke say he used to be here. He said he used to get down, y'all.
I used to be out here.
He used to be a little thot.
They know about me.
Who knows?
A whole
What it's like. In my stabilization. Who nervous?
You?
Y'all, he said we making a movie. We making a sex tape. Yeah.
Got the light. Got myself.
We gonna do it. Yeah.
Top of my game right now.
Oh, talking all that stuff.
Shout out to the airlines for not charging me for my Crown Royal.
Don't worry. It might charge, but I hope not. I ain't speaking that. You did?
Oh.
She probably did. You smacked the nasty anyway. Huh?
I'm no longer the cameraman. I retire.
Who gonna be my cameraman then?
I'm retired while I'm ahead.
So you just gonna retire on me like that?
Yeah, fuck that.
Damn.
I just want to be your man.
I mean, I thought you was being my cameraman too.
Nah, you been trying to fire me a couple times.
Well, fireman? I mean, cameraman?
Yeah.
Because you didn't know what you was doing. We finally made it. Ready to go. I should have did my makeup on the plane.
Yeah?
Yeah? No?
Well, nah, you probably would have did good. You should have let me do your makeup on the plane. Yeah.
Staying at the Hard Rock. Ever come here? Come to room 941. B. Marie stayed in here. B. Marie stayed in this room, y'all. Alright. So when you walk in, you got over here, you got the bathroom, then you got the closet right here. Fine. I love mirrored anything, like glass, anything. This bottom. This is my outfit for today, y'all. Bathroom right here. And then y'all got this mirror. Ooh. So today we're supposed to get here. Well, I think we didn't get here really on time. I was supposed to do a live, but I'm about to go chill with Bae because I am tired. And I am about to probably go eat some food and go to sleep, and then I'm trying to wake up as early as possible, y'all. Early as possible so I can do my face. Just a soft beat until tonight. Then I'm gonna take it off again. Just a soft beat until later on tomorrow night. So I do my ultimate beat and then sleep. Like it's like I'm tired. I can't. Then your bitch is broke, okay? So we on like a budget. So we just gotta, we here for one day, so we just gotta basically live that one day up. What's funny, baby?
What's up, baby? What you doing?
Nothing. Give me like a review, yeah. You ready to clap these sheets?
Huh?
You ready to clap these sheets?
You already know.
You about to make a sex tape.
Yeah, that's why we got that light up right there.
Yeah. So I can just pop the camera right there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hurry up.
Y'all hear him? Let's do this one more time. Low-key turning me off, for real.
Come on, man.
I'm thirsty, though.
I'm thirsty, too. What you want me to do?
You want to get something to drink?
You want me to go down there?
You want to go? You want to come with you?
Yeah, you just can't walk so fast.
Okay.
You walking hella fast.
Okay, I can come with you. Oh, okay. Pig, you gonna be sexy as hell. I can't wait. You gonna see my dress? You gonna be like, damn, babe, you look good.
We ain't gonna make it.
All right, y'all. So the plans for tonight is we about to go get something to drink, and I don't know if we gonna get something to eat. Get in the tub. I'm about to chill with Bae. I'm about to light a candle. And I think we're gonna plan out tomorrow. And then also actually see what club we're going to. It's gonna be my makeup setup. It's actually, ooh, it's dope. So we need to do a sex scene up in here. Period. I'm gonna give y'all a get ready with me outfit of the day. That's gonna be my Friday's video.
Yeah. Y'all gonna get ready with me on Saturday.
When? Yeah, where you going?
Huh?
Where you going? Oh, tomorrow? No, tomorrow is Saturday. You just went.
Get ready with me.
I'm about to finish putting myself on the hanger. And then we about to get up out of here. And then so we get back. Period. I had some fat chicken tenders. Let me show y'all. It's so fat. They so fat, soft. So if you come to Hard Rock Hotel, definitely go to Lucky's. Because this girl was like, Go right to Lucky's. They chicken tenders so fast, so soft. I don't know how to do wings taste. He has some buffalo wings. We got the Crown Royal and we got the cranberry, y'all. Mind you, I drank it on the plane. The little bottle, but it wasn't apple Crown. It was just regular Crown. I don't know, Crown, it do not go smooth. It don't go down the throat as smooth as Douce or Hennessy. Like, I would prefer Hennessy or Douce over Crown Royal. Going to Dallas. So today is the 31st. This is definitely the day before we hit the new year. So I'm about to do 2 beats in one day, but today to explore like Vegas a little bit, I'm about to do like a slight beat, but I'm about to get ready because I just woke up. It's like 9:15. I tried to do everyday makeup look, especially in the daylight. So I don't know if I'm gonna even upload that because I didn't even get to the blush or the lips. So for lips, I just use, or the eyelashes, I just use KKW Nude 3 lip liner, and then I use Dose of Colors Sand liquid lipstick and Jeffree Star's lip gloss. I don't know the name of it. And then lashes, Beauty Supply lashes, they're like $8, but they so pretty. I love these. Rose Gold from V-Lux lashes. And then for blush, I use Juvia's Place. So I'm looking good on camera. I actually, it's not, when I don't feel comfortable in a place to do makeup sometimes, I just don't think it looks good. But it looks okay. I'm probably about to go on White Castles really quick because I'm hungry. We're gonna find somewhere for brunch, but we ready to get to the fun shit. So the museum closes at 3, so I think after I get some White Castle, we're gonna go to the museum first. We about to take a shot. Wait, hold on. This all of it?
Nah, hell no. Take some of that shit. When you drink all that shit, you are my granny. Yeah, drink it.
It do feel good out here though. Ooh, look at this. Look at this sun. It's just giving me life right now. I honestly don't feel like I'm anywhere else.
You feel like you're still at the crib, right?
Yeah, do it. It seem like it. Yeah. It do to me. Mostly sometimes when you go somewhere different, it feel like, oh damn, I feel like, I don't know.
That's just being secure with self.
Oh. Yes! Thank you, girl.
I like her nails. Can I see those? I love them. Those are beautiful. Hold on, let me put them on my snap.
Let me give you this hand.
Yeah, those are beautiful.
Thank you, girl.
Hold on. You like the first person out here for real. I done gave props on their nails.
Thank you.
Y'all look at this shit. Oh my God, Atlanta.
Hold on.
Thank you. But girl, these are nice.
Thank you.
So I'm gonna get my nails like that.
Get a weed place.
Yeah, this shit raw as fuck.
I knew you would like this shit like that. When you come back home? Come here, baby.
Yeah, good. Damn, baby.
they so helpful. Oh, he got that red lipstick on because I've been tucking his ass down. Cause I don't. And you be saying some funny shit.
Funny as hell for that shit. And he was mad as hell too. It was like, so you just gonna walk over here. That shit on your head.
You just
I would need 400.
Yeah, we was trying to get in the club. Big fail. Well, ain't no fail, but shit, ain't nobody about to pay no $400 to get no club. Tired. I'm shaky. Just came on shaky.
You called me on my off day. You should have called me tomorrow or something. You know? Alright, I'm not running around.
Charles, so we waiting on my cousin Corey to pull up in my car so we can go get something to eat and call it one. I'm gonna end my vlog when I get to the house.